I've generated all these clips using Kling AI. You can see all these videos trending on Instagram, gaining millions of views. If you stay with me till the end, you will definitely learn how to make these kinds of viral clips. First, I asked GPT for different outfit suggestions for the cats, and I got a few of these. To generate realistic cat images, we should definitely use Leonardo AI for that. Now go to Leonardo AI. As you will notice, we have 150 free credits per day. If you use all the credit, it will reset the next day, but you can use another Gmail account to get more 150 credits. Click on Image Creation. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT here. At the preset box, choose Illustrative Albedo. Preset style, you can choose different style, but I leave it at default. Don't forget to pick the image dimension 16 by 9. I got these 4 images. We have to select the desired one. Once we save this image, next, go to Kling AI. Here, we have to select the image to video option and upload the downloaded image. Now, enter the prompt. Cat walking slowly down the center of a lavish hallway. Camera moves smoothly along with it. This is important, otherwise the cat will rush. Just keep the default setting selected and click on Generate. After generation, it looks like this. Next, we will also try the text-to-video option here. Enter something like full body shot of a cute cat dressed in a winter outfit. Use the default options and click on Generate. I got this result, but I don't like it at all. Now, we will cover one more style. Cat riding on a bike in the desert. Follow the same process we did before. Get prompt from ChatGPT, generate image in Leonardo AI, and save the image. Upload it to Kling AI. Now copy some part of the prompt into the Kling AI prompt box. And all I did was select the creativity level to around 0.35 and clicked on Generate. I was shocked looking at the magic of this option, though I had not specified in the prompt that the cat should be riding with any dance moves. I believe that's what the creativity option does. Now, there is another option here called Professional Mode, which is available only to paid users. I personally tried this option, Rabbit at Table in Standard Mode and Rabbit at Table in Professional Mode. The Professional Mode has better lighting and visuals here. Now don't forget that this Professional Mode will cost you 35 credits. Now, if you think of generating motion for these images in Kling AI, here's where the magic happens. The same prompt we tried for the first image worked for all the images. I didn't even change a word, because we generated images in the same pose, and Kling AI did the magic. I also tried one of the images in Luma AI, and the result was very bad. I believe for these kinds of videos, Kling is the king. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more way to make money online. See ya.